a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, Yummy Biters? Happy Wednesday, you guys. Happy Wednesday and happy Thursday to you. Y'all, please start this video off with thumbsing it up. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos, all right? And let's get started, y'all. All right, so I went to Dairy Queen, y'all, okay? I wanted some ice cream. Y'all, it's burning up hot outside and in my house. Like, it's so hot outside, it's hot in my house. Okay, so they have a new blizzard. It's called the Triple Truffle Blizzard. It has fudge truffles in it. It has caramel truffles, and it has peanut butter truffles, y'all. And I'm about to taste it right now because I cannot wait no longer. And I also got their, what is this, funnel cake. And it comes with a strawberry topping and a dollop of their soft serve ice cream. I'm going to show y'all real quick with the camera. Hold up. Let me open this up. Y'all got to see this up close. And I got a Jalitos burger, double burger. It's a Jalitos double burger, and I got the side of Jalitos. They kind of overcooked my Jalitos. Yeah, I didn't see that before I left, or I would have made them remake those, but too late now. All right, y'all, this is the funnel cake with the side of ice cream. Yummy. I cannot wait to taste that. And this is the Triple Truffle Blizzard, y'all. Look at all of those chunks of truffle. Delicious. And let me show y'all these burnt Jalitos. But I think they're still going to be good, though. Hopefully. I got my Fanta cherry today, y'all. I've never, ever had Fanta cherry. Delicious, y'all. It is so good. Who's had Fanta cherry? Let me know in the comments. All right. Let's taste this before it melts. I got a peanut butter one. Oh, that is so good. It tastes just like Reese's Pieces, y'all. I love Reese's Pieces. That was a caramel one. Oh my God, it's so good. Looks like we're gonna be eating ice cream before dinner. So what's the mother flipping deal, y'all? Which I've been up to. So, oh, there was another peanut butter one. Y'all, it's so good. Y'all let me know what y'all eating with me. And let me know if you tried this blizzard. They say they just got it in, when? Like at the end of July. I can't believe they burnt my Jalitos. And this is my first time getting these, y'all. The last time I had them, they were on a burger. I'm glad I got a mini. That was a fudge one. Oh, that was so good. Delicious. And not nutritious, but it's good. I think this is the best one I've tried. Because whenever I get anything ice cream from anywhere, I always want cookies and cream all the time. This is better. I'm wondering why they call it truffle though. Because these are like little Reese's Pieces is what it tastes like. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it looked like too. Like little mini Reese's Pieces. That makes me so happy. Yeah, look at my little ear jewelry. I forgot I had this, y'all. I think I got it from Forever 21. And yeah, y'all, Charmed by Jazzy. Y'all, I don't know when I'm gonna stop wearing this. This has become my most favorite choker, y'all. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna leave the link to her store on Instagram in the description box. I hope I don't forget, y'all. Forgive me if I do. But just remind me, and I'll go and put it in there. But I'm gonna try my best to remember. See, I'm almost done with it now. Yeah, I didn't need one bigger than this. And what I love about Dairy Queen is they make everything fresh. Nothing's ever sitting around. Delicious. Okay. Let me taste this funnel cake. Oh, it's so warm. That strawberry sauce is good on there. Y'all want a yummy bite? Y'all look at that. That's good. I need a thumbnail. I almost forgot. Ooh, that strawberry sauce good with the ice cream. Oh, that's real good. Y'all make sure y'all look in the description box for my latest ASMR video if y'all haven't seen it yet. And my family vlog. Oh, excuse me. Who's ready for school? I know y'all not ready for school. You know, actually, some people want to go back to school. They ready to go back to school. Excited for school. Leia's excited for school. Yeah, surprise, surprise. Delicious. All right. All right, so this burger has these Jalitos on it. Okay. It has lettuce, it has pepper jack cheese, and it has jalapeno ranch sauce on it, y'all. Yes, it does. And they gave me a thing of ranch to dip my Jalitos in. No, I didn't just splash this ranch on my shirt. So Jalitos are deep fried jalapenos, y'all. So they did burn them a little bit, but they're still good. Still good. Like, they know they burned these, and I can't believe they gave them to me like this. Like, can y'all see that? I think these have, oh, they have cheese in them too. Oh, so they're kind of like, jalapeno poppers. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something with this. Boom. Uh-oh, y'all, that was about to be a disaster. I would have dropped this entire drink, y'all. Oh, that's good. Fanta cherry. Y'all. That is bomb. Let's take a bite. Oh, it looks so freaking good. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste it. That don't make no sense. Absolutely and utterly delicious. And spicy, y'all. Oh. Y'all let me know in the comments what challenges would y'all like to see me and Murder Show do. or us as a family? Let me know in the comments. Because I know we want to do a challenge, but we just don't know which one to do. And y'all, we don't want to do, make sure it has something to do with eating. We don't want to do the gummy food versus the real food. Like, I don't know why I'm just not interested in that at all. I'm just not. 'Cause I would think that would be a challenge trying to find all of that stuff. Like, seriously? Especially out here. Bomb. Whew. Y'all, they are spicy. Oh my gosh. Like, they barely batter them. Like, these are jalapenos with a little bit of cheese. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Y'all said ice cream. That's why I love me some pepper jack cheese on anything. Like, it is so good. Yeah. I don't have much to talk about today. I'm just hungry and want to eat. Things have just been really hectic because school about to start, y'all. It's, oh my God. I know y'all parents that y'all's kids are grown. Y'all are so freaking happy. Like, ooh, excuse me. Do y'all know I found Jaden some shoes for $8? I got 2 pair. $8, y'all. Y'all know I love the bargain. I couldn't believe it. And then I found another like dressy pair at City Trends, y'all, for $7. I was like, why did they look like some Kenneth Cole shoes? Y'all know Kenneth Cole. I was like, $7? Y'all, it was literally 2 pairs left, and one of them was in Jaden's size. I was like, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. So y'all worked out hard last night. So I don't have to go tonight. So happy. Like, is there anybody out there that works out that just loves to go to the gym? Like, you're pumped and ready? Not me. I'm like, oh, I have to go work out. No. Y'all. I don't know if y'all know who Chineri Ogazi is, but y'all, she put out a video today talking about Kim Kardashian supporting, basically supporting, what's his name? What is that guy's name? Supporting supporting Jeffree Star's racist statements, right? I'm going to leave the link to her video in my description box. Like, she told it exactly how it is, and oh my God, y'all have to watch that video. Like, I'm going to leave it in the description box. Y'all have to watch it. Kim Kardashian was basically telling all black people to get over him being racist. Like, just get over it. Get over it. Yeah. So she talked about it in this video. Y'all, she went completely off. Like, I was like, dang. Yeah. But do y'all know about what happened with that? Let me know in the comments. Did y'all hear anything about that? I don't want to explain it because I might get something wrong, and I don't have time for nobody to be coming for me. So She explains it in her video. Y'all, I'm getting full. It's always at the last bite of burger. Always. I never get to it. But I'm about to get to this ice cream though. I haven't even checked the comments today. So let's see what you guys are talking about. I see y'all really weren't really here for the croissant French toast. Y'all, it was so good. Like, it was delicious, y'all. I can't believe I didn't watch that one, but it's all good. Oh, gosh, that's good.
I recommend that you should.
All right, so what's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the mic with Yummy Bites today? All right. So, the first person on the mic is Michelle Carr, and she says, "Notification squad." Thank you, girl. Jayla Bonner says, "Came back to see another mukbang video, girl, and that Taco Bell always be looking so good. New subscriber and loving it. Hashtag Yummy Biter." Thank you, girl, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh. So Pixie Girl 17, no, So Pixie Girl 7 says, "I think the people who disliked mean to say, this I like." Yeah. That is too cute. Lindsay Molina says, "My notification just went off and I'm still at work anyways. Good mukbang from Taco Bell. Once again, Miss Yummy Bites TV. Keep the food mukbangs coming always regardless." Hey, ma'am, do you think you can do a Filipino food mukbang either with your family or by yourself? I would really like to see it because I'm half Filipino and Latino. With that said, excuse me, you, ma'am, and your little family have a good rest of your Wednesday afternoon and evening. With respect, OG Mr. Molina, San Diego, California, 619. Now, the last time you asked me to do a Filipino video, I did those Filipino lumpia, and then you just disappeared. So I've already done one. I don't know what else to do. You would have to give me like a, suggest something. Shanisha Montgomery says, now I want some Taco Bell. Ibrahim A says, awesome video. You should make jalapeno poppers. Maybe I will. Diamond Brown says, I either get a Nacho Bell Grande with no beans, add chicken, and instead of the nacho chips, sub the Dorito chips. I didn't know they had Dorito chips. A Dorito Gordito Crunch with no avocado ranch, add nacho cheese, or a Mexican pizza, no beans, no pizza sauce, add nacho cheese with a side of creamy jalapeno. Sounds weird, but they're amazing. I'm sure it is, girl. I just love Taco Bell. Let you like basically make your own food. You know what I'm saying? Hyatt Hewer gives me thumbs up. Thank you, Hyatt. Marcelina Rosario says, hey girl, good mukbang video. Your specialty food from Taco Bell looks freaking bomb. I never had Taco Bell specialty. When I go to Taco Bell, it's combo 6, and with combo 6 you get 2 chalupas. I know I used to get that all the time. And a taco, also a drink. I think it's cool that Amaya has her own channel. Now I'm subscribed to Amaya's channel. You are looking gorgeous as always. When do the kids go back to school? My nephew and niece went Wednesday, August the 16th here in Fox Lake, Illinois. Hope you and the family are having a good week so far. I'm looking forward to you cooking food at home for your next mukbang. Can you make homemade tacos or lasagna at home? Love you and sis family. Thank you, girl. Love you too. If I make something, it's probably not going to be tacos because I'm still kind of sick of tacos right about now. And I don't know about lasagna either because I'm kind of not even like wanting anything like that. Let's see. Alexis Mo says the blue drink wasn't so good to me at all. Really? I loved it so much. I literally love all of those freezes. Like, I love them all. I haven't tried the green one, though. I haven't tried the green one. But when they had that red one, the Starburst one, y'all, they should have never got rid of that. I don't know what was wrong with Taco Bell. I don't know. But Fit Angie says, hey, girl, that Taco Bell looks so good. Those nachos especially would taste fantastic. Girl, they were so good. Glad you shouted out Marquita and B Loves. I really enjoy both their channels. They both have wonderful personalities. I'm also sub to Prissy's channel. Hugs to you. Thank you, girl. Sweetie Snacker says, yummy. What? $1 Million Style says, I watch all of those lays. I love you all. Help me get through my work day. Oh. Glow says, one of your daughters, I think Maya, had the blue raspberry freeze in one of your Taco Bell videos. I think you tried hers too. Did I? Girl, I don't remember. I do not remember. All I remember is always having the spiked lemonade one. Oh, that one is so good. And what's up, Glow, girl? Steve Schwally says, hey, Queen, can I get a shout out? You're awesome. Well, shout out to Steve. Thank you. Marcus Farmer says, you love tacos homemade or whatever, and you funny. Tell Mo jokes. I like you a lot. Thank you. Corda, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. Cordeja Broyles says, I tried it. That's my #1 favorite drink in the world. Yeah, it is good. It is good. Casey Taylor says, Taco Bell, and gives me a heart. Julianne Sullivan says, Taco Bell are my favorite mukbangs. Yay. Emmanuel Johnson says, can y'all help me by subscribing to my channel? I'm starting off my channel and I need help. Jen Joy says, that freeze definitely looks bigger this time. doesn't it? Y'all, I swear, I'm calling Taco Bell. Because I know that drink was half that size. It was literally half that size, and they told me it was a large, y'all. They told me it was a lot. And then when I got up to the window, I had looked at it and I was like, "Are you sure this is a large?" I said, "Well, can you show me your large cup?" And they showed me the same cup. I'm like, okay, I was literally like, this couldn't be right. It couldn't be right. But Complete Mile says, I will be creating my own meal on my next visit to Taco Bell. They are cutting back on their food. I remember when the nachos was loaded. Taco Bell will be going out of business. Read it on the internet. What? Are you kidding me? Brighton Vlogger says, oh, that yummy drink freeze thing. Karen Avant says, hey girl, do you ever use Tay natural hair products? I would love to see your hair straight. Oh girl, I don't do straight hair unless I'm wearing some weave. Been there, done that. And my natural hair does not take heat very well at all. I get heat damage immediately. When I tell you my hair would probably be to my ankles right about now, if I would have never put heat on it and had to cut it off, y'all. I believe I was about, how many years natural? I can't remember how many years natural I was, but my hair went to like my butt, to my butt, okay? And I straightened. I was like, oh my God, look how long my hair is. My hair was all the way to my butt, y'all. When I washed my hair, I couldn't believe it. I had all these straight pieces. I was like, oh my God, it's not curling up. It's not curling up. Y'all will never do that again. Never. Some people's natural hair just cannot stand heat. It can't. I'm one of them, and my kids too. You have such gorgeous hair. That wig you have on is badass. I love it. Keep rocking. Thank you, girl. Marquita Sutton says, thanks for the love. You are right. We are all in this together. Another great video. Learned something new from you today. I never thought that you could create your own meal at Taco Bell. That's my husband's favorite fast food restaurant. So I'm going to let him know. I'm going to try the nachos you had. Also, the frozen spiked lip. Girl, that frozen spiked lemonade from Taco Bell's my fave. Oh, she said it's her fave. Yes, girl. Thanks for the love again. Much love, sis. Thank you, girl. Okay. Ashley Rose says, Taco Bell nachos are the bomb, and the extra, extra large chicken burrito. Y'all, I'm hungry now. You silly. Seriously, though, the grande nachos have gotten to be small. Okay, real small. I remember well when they were about triple the size they are now. I told you. Terry Smith says, yummy. Yo, but you know you be rocking your wig. Slay, baby, slay. Yummy, you rock. Thank you. WB says, Jackie was off the train. Yes, she was. Rachel Eats says, I customize Taco Bell through the app. Makes it super easy, especially since my fiance is vegan and I'm not. Really? I don't know. I have to like be there and let them know what I want. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I am Queen T says, Queen of Mukbang. Finally started my own channel. Yummy Bites, please sub to my channel. Oh, okay. Cha-Cha513 says, green stuff is guacamole. No, it's not guacamole. It wasn't guacamole. It's a green sauce that they have. I just forgot the name of it. Lasita says, be my mama and feed me all day, yummies. Love you and your family. Love you too. That's so funny. Jen Joy says, I get chicken everything when I go. Taco Bell used to be so bomb back in the day. Cheap, cheap, cheap. I would go with $2 and get full. I know. Girl, you You are so funny. I remember that, girl. I remember that. Sometimes you could even go with $1 and get 2 tacos. Do you remember that? Do you remember when the tacos were 49 cents? Do you remember that? Does anybody remember that? Like, oh, those were the days, y'all. Oh my God. I love to reminisce. Ernest Wayne says, ate that yesterday. Didn't agree with my stomach. Never again Taco Bell. Not real meat. Guess that's why I didn't agree. It didn't agree with my stomach. Really? You know, it's happened to me a couple of times. It's happened to me. But it's always when it's super duper late. So, you know what I'm saying? Maybe did you eat it late? Or maybe you shouldn't eat the beef. You know what I'm saying? Eat the chicken. Lucia Day says, hi, reply. What's up, girl? Lena Love says, I have to try those chicken nachos. They are so good, y'all. I'm telling you. The Black Nuna Speaks says, girl, I saw the notification and clicked this so quick. I thought I was late like a mug. LOA, girl, you are crazy. I need to go to Taco Bell and ask about that customization menu because that's what's up. Sis, you keep forgetting about the caramel empanadas. LOL. I love B loves life. You two are like sisters. I could hear 2 sons in your... I could hear 2 sons and your kids cutting up. LOL. Okay. Girl, you crazy. M Babazi N says, yes, girl, hairstyles is the bomb. Food looks so good. Thank you. Miss Golda says, the camera was a bit low this time. I like to look at you eat more than the plate. Let me tell you something. The reason why you thought that, I think, is because my hair was bigger. I think that's what it was. I don't know, because I have not adjusted this thing at all. Maybe I need to bring it out some. I don't know. But I think I fixed it today. I think I did. Because you can see my whole face. But I was trying to bring y'all in a little bit closer. I think that's what I was trying to do. But me, as you know, love to see you take every yummy bite and the wonderful noise your chewing makes. Girl, I didn't know you like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. And Chili's Reacts says, can I get a shout out? There you go. Madison Killer says, I never miss a video. Your hair looks fabulous. Love you. Love you too, girl. Thank you. Super Mario DQ says, I dare her to pin and love this comment. I love the comment. Willie Singh says, yes, I love Taco Bell. I never clicked a video so fast in my life. I never tried that drink, but I just recently tried the Lemonade Blast. Pin my channel. Love this video. Thank you. Thank you so much. DonB12176 says, got this notification. Yeah, that drink is bomb. Nacho Bel Grande and Gordita Crunches are 2 of my faves. Your shirt probably falling off because you are working out and getting more trim and fit. Maybe now you can wear the small shirt I sent you. Yes, girl. Yes, I will. I sure will. I have to get Jaden in a freaking video. I got to get him in a video. You know what I'm saying? Oh, girl, you know I'm going to wear that shirt. Girl, I look at it every day like, I wonder if Jaden go come and get in the video. Like, but I need to just do a video just for me and him. But it's just never guaranteed that he is going to be in the video. You know what I'm saying? But girl, you know I got you. Tyler Jones says, love your Taco Bell mukbangs. Kirsten Alexander says, love your channel. Was just watching one of your videos. P.S. Love your ASMR channel. LOL. Thank you, girl. Lynette Michelle says, first, yay. Annette Kessman says, I love your videos. Thank you so, so much. Y'all, that is the last comment. Thank you guys so, so much. I really enjoyed this video. I hope y'all did too. Y'all, please, before you guys go, please thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Y'all, and make sure y'all share my videos. Share them on Instagram. Share them on Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff, y'all. I appreciate everybody who retweets my videos. I appreciate that. Marcelina Rosario always does that for me. Always. Oh my gosh. And there are a couple other people that do it too. Y'all, it is hot. It is burning. Get some of this good drink. Marcus Denard, thank you so much. He always does that for me. And you guys like my videos. Judy Clark, shout out to you. Quantea Simmons, shout out to you, girl. Shout out to Bold Faith. Shout out to Honeykins Girl. Shout out to White Angel. Thank y'all so much. Shout out to Miss Swisher Sweet. Shout out to you, girl. All right, y'all. So I will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace. Love y'all. Bye. Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. We hangin', we bang, we bangin'.